Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be diving into arbitrage and trading bots. We will be working in between markets and trying to find a profit. This is going to be a little bit different than the previous videos that I have created as I focus heavily within programming. I create applications, I work within different industries, and I have a track record of different projects that have helped define my career. So with this project, it's going to be diving into government deals. So a liquidity service marketplace. I want to scratch the surface of this topic. I've never used this website before, but I'm going to see if I can use it to leverage building up inventory within my LLC and to hopefully position myself for 2026 so that I'm able to make a profit. So, with that, this is San Antonio Independent School District. Every few years, they sell off their current equipment and they buy new inventory. And well, that time has come. So, this is happening mid December. So, it's a fairly fast auction. And I came at the perfect time to bid on this and to hopefully acquire what is a ton of restaurant equipment. So why would I want to buy restaurant equipment? What's the purpose? So let's just kind of go into one that kind of looks good and we'll give you an idea. So right here, this is a stainless steel continental refrigerator. And if I just go over here and if I paste that on Google, we can find that similar refrigerator right here. So we're looking at a value of about 7,000 to $3,000, maybe 2,000 if it gets really strugglish to sell it. But with that, that's a pretty good markup. So let's kind of go back to it real quick. It's currently listed at $10. So if you could buy this thing for $10 and if you could sell it for, you know, 3,000, that's a pretty good win. So there's a lot of equipment, and I'm trying to accumulate all the ones that make sense. So what I did is I leveraged AI and I kind of just went through all of the different listings and I copied over the information that was relevant. So with that, the important things to kind of note on is like what is the product trying to filter out? Like this one, there's a door broken. Is it worth trying to get a hinge and figure it out? It's $10. It might be. This might still be usable, or we could break it out for parts, but that's a bit of work. Ideally, I'm buying this so that I don't have much work. But there is work involved in this project. Later in this video, we will be renting a U-Haul and picking up all the things that we want. But for right now, I have this spreadsheet that I created and I put little dots on it to signal which ones I want to bid for and for how much. So I have thresholds that I'm going to try to hit. Ideally, because these auctions are ending, tomorrow, I'm going to be ready. And yeah, we're just going to place bids. I'm not going to let anybody know that I'm here. And hopefully, like last minute, I swoop in and snipe a few of these. So how does this work? Well, you go to government deals, and then you look up where you're located, and then all the products, items that are being liquidated, you have to pick them up yourself. But you can get fairly good deals because it's based on government deals. So you're looking at school districts, you're looking at like military, you're looking at a bunch of different facilities that are all being ran via the government. And with a lot of government kind of being shut down because of the Trump administration and things kind of being liquidated, now's kind of the time to keep your eye on this. And this is another reason to kind of, give an opportunity for those that find this useful to like, hey, pay attention to this, find a good deal, purchase it, flip it, and make some money. So we'll see how this pans out. But with that, there are risks involved. There is a premium, so whatever you end up purchasing at, that's just one price, but you're gonna have to pay like a 12.5% on top of that. And then there is also rules and regulations that are regarding this specific marketplace. So you can look in the terms and conditions, or you could just see like the seller items. Let me go back. And if I scroll down to the bottom, yeah, this kind of gives you some context. But these are the dates that I can pick it up by, 17th and 18th, and I can only pick it up at these specific times. So I need to make sure that I can do that. And then if I don't pay within 5 days of the auction closure, then they're going to ban my account. And yeah, it's just not going to be good. So just try to follow, look through, make sure that you can guarantee the pickup because they will charge you if you don't pick it up. So yeah, I have a game plan in place. I'm going to check in with you tomorrow and we will see how the bidding took place and which items I have, and we'll talk about what comes next.